In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a map view in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you want to visualize your items on a map. This can be any board that includes location-based information such as client addresses, job sites, delivery destinations, or store locations. Before setting up the map, take a moment to confirm that your board includes a location column. This is important because the map view needs location data in order to place your items correctly. If the location column is already there, you're ready for the next part. If not, make sure your board has one added before continuing. Once that's in place, begin entering addresses or location details into your items. The more accurate and complete the location information is, the better Monday.com will be able to display everything on the map. For best results, use clear address formatting so the platform can recognize each place correctly. After your items include location data, look toward the top area of the board and click Add View. This is where you can create a different way of looking at the same board data without changing the items themselves. A new view can help you organize, analyze, and interact with your information more effectively, especially when geography matters. From the available view options, choose Map View. Monday.com will then begin setting up a visual map based on the data in your board. During this process, you'll be asked to choose which location column the map should use. If your board has only one location column, this should be straightforward. If there are multiple location-related columns, make sure you select the one that contains the correct addresses for the items you want to display. Once you've selected the location column, the map view will load and display your items according to their locations. Now, take a moment to review what appears on the map. Check that the correct items are showing up and that they seem to be placed in the right areas. This is a good time to spot any missing or incorrectly entered addresses, since errors in the location field can affect how items are plotted. And that's it. You've successfully created a map view in Monday.com and can now review your board data in a more visual, location-based format. This can be especially useful for planning, tracking, and managing work across multiple places.